This is the Revel's hydronic heating control. It is touch activated. It's a very intuitive design. What we have here is our hot air. We turn that button and it's all touch screen, hot water. Then this is our thermostat control. This is the current temperature. And then we click here at the bottom and we can drag this to any temperature we want. Very simple, very intuitive. Within the hydronic heating system, in the upper right corner, there's a menu item that we're going to click, and it looks like a wrench and a screwdriver. I'm going to click that once, and it's going to let me basically go through a whole series of informational panels and panels where I can adjust things. The one that we really want to focus on is the one where at the top of it, it'll say limitation of heating duration. Now this is kind of important because the bottom slider here lets you adjust a time duration. And what this means is it's going to automatically turn off your heater at a certain time. And we don't want to leave our Revel on a cold day thinking our heater is running and keeping everything nice and warm and unfrozen, and then we come back to a frozen Revel. So we can slide the system slider, which is the very bottom slider. We can slide it from 1 hour all the way across to hours, days, and at the very far right end, it comes to an infinity setting. The infinity setting means it's never going to turn off, it's just going to run. So let's leave it at infinity, just so we don't accidentally have our heaters go off on a cold day. In the bottom right corner of the hydronic heating control, you're going to see an icon that looks like a little bent pipe. If we turn that on, it'll go from blue to red. What that's doing is if we're plugged into shore power, it's going to allow us to have hot air and hot water off of electricity rather than using our diesel. After a short amount of time, your screen should turn off and either go to a standby position, which will give you a clock setting, or it will completely go black. And that is just a power saving mode. If your diesel fuel tank is below 3/8 of a tank, you might not be able to fire your heater. This is a safety measure to keep your heater from using all of your fuel and stranding you somewhere.